Right guys, once again welcome back to my channel. In my previous video about the Sidra, I showed you how you can import Sidra into your Metamask, and in this video I'm quickly going to show you how you can send your Sidra tokens from your Sidra app into your Metamask. That is to keep your assets. It allows you to be able to have more control, as we shared in my previous video from the post made by the Sidra team themselves on their X account. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So if you look right here, I've deposited some 20 Sidra right here. So what you need to do is, once you have imported it into your Metamask, you have imported Sidra into your Metamask like I showed you in my previous video. So you are going to see it is going to be appearing here. Now if you can't see it, this is what you are going to do. You are going to come over to this network right here and then click on it. You are going to see there is popular networks and then there is custom networks. So Sidra is going to be to fall under custom network. You just added it has not yet listed and it is not popular, so it is going to be under customs. So you just have to click on it. Then once you click on it, you can see it has selected. So this is it right here. So you can click on it if you want to receive. Let's say you want to buy, or you want to go to your Sidra app and send tokens to your Metamask. So you have to just click on it like this and then come over, click on receive, and then on the receive you can see this is your address right here. So you just come down, click on copy address, and it will be copied, and then you head over to your Sidra app. On your Sidra app like this, you are going to come down to wallet, or you just come over to this section. You can see send tokens right here, so click on that, and then once you click on that, you are going to come over to this page right here. So you can see send tokens to another wallet or project. So they say you can send it using username, or you can send it using an address, or you can send it using an email. So we are going to go ahead and paste that particular wallet address that we copied right here. So once you have pasted it, you just come down, click on next. So once you click on next, you wait for it to load. So it is going to load up like this, and then you are going to see that you are going to insert the amount of Sidra that you want to send right here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to send like 100. Let me not send up to 1000. So let me send 100 for example. So we are going to just come down here, click on next, and then once you click on next, you are going to see that this is the amount we are going to withdraw, and this is the network fee that it is going to cost, and then this is the total amount that will be deducted from the wallet. So this network is Sidra, so you can see the estimated time is 2 seconds. So you click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, you see transaction in progress, and then your funds are being transferred securely. So this is the amount of the SDA, that is the Sidra, and then it is moving from my wallet to this person, this recipient, which is the wallet address that we have pasted. So all you need to do is just relax for some few seconds or up to a minute, and then you are going to see what will be shown to us. And then guys, you are going to see that the transaction is successful like this. So it has been sent from this person right here, and then to this recipient right here, and this is the dates of the transaction. This is when the transaction happened, and this is the network fee, and this is the status of the transaction. It is confirmed, it is completed, it is successful, and then that is the wallet address. So you can click on close. Then once the transaction status is showing successful, you just have to come back to your Metamask, and then you can see that it has changed from the 20 that was here to 120 right here. So that is how you can be sending your tokens from your Sidra app to your Metamask once you mine them. And before you'll be able to do this, you already know that you need to do your Sidra KYC. It's very important. Without the Sidra KYC, you will just be mining ST, and if you are just mining ST, you can't send the ST. For you to be able to send out tokens from the Sidra app, you need to convert them from the ST to the SDA, and SDA is what you are sending. And for you to do that, you need to do your KYC, and I've mentioned it in one of my videos. If you are interested in doing your KYC, just make sure that you go to the comment section of this video, and also in the description section you're going to see a link to my Telegram channel. Join and comment there that you want to do your KYC, and I'm going to take it up from there and then guide you to make sure that you get your KYC. A lot of people have been inboxing me and thanking me for successfully completing their Sidra KYC, and it is very, very important for you to do this. So now if you want to also send out, let's say you want to send to somebody, maybe you want to send to their Sidra app, you want to send to their OKX wallet too, you can. It's very possible. So you just have to come over here, and then first of all they will send their wallet address for you. So you just click on send. So once you click on send, you can select the amount you want to send to them. So once you select it, you can just go ahead, click on continue, and then they are going to give you the option to paste their wallet address. So once you do that, you're going to confirm the transaction, and it's as simple as that. And that is how you can be mining your tokens from the Sidra app and sending them to your Metamask. You can also buy from individuals. If you want to buy from individuals, you can do the same thing. That will be all for now. And please, before I go, if you are new into my YouTube channel, or if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button, and also make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.